right, which one reduces the tapa and also which fights against the diseases like pradharadi vikaras. Okay, so this is the basic name of Durva. So next we'll move to the botanical name, that is Synodona dactylona. Synodona dactylona is the botanical source for both types of Durva. That is, it may be considered as Sweta Durva or Neela Durva, or you can say like Harita Durva. So even though it is not possible to identify or not possible to give the botanical sources, so those two drugs, they used to give the same botanical source, that is Synodona dactylona, as it is belongs to the family Poaceae family. Poaceae family. Earlier, this family is called as a Graminae family. If you search the old textbooks, the Dravyaguna text, or like Indian medicinal plants or Indian Materia Medica, so the old text, they used to quote the family name as Graminae family. Graminae. But nowadays it is changed into Poaceae family. In Sanskrit or in Ayurveda, we used to call it as Yavakula. In Sanskrit or in Ayurveda, we used to call it as Yavakula. So if you see this, the family, Poaceae family. So under this family, almost all the plants are, the Swarupa is like grass. Swarupa is like a grass. Like most of the Ahara Dravyas, you can take like Goduma, Shali, even Vamsha, that is Truna, Truna Jati. The king among the Truna is Vamsha or Mrityu Pushpi. When the flowers appears, the plant is going to die. So in its lifespan, if it survives for 25 years or 30 years or 40 years, in its lifespan, only one time it flowers. So when the flower appears, so next, after the flowering and fruiting, the plant is going to die. So that's why they used to consider as Mritya Pushpi. So Mritya Pushpi, that is Vamsha. But here, this is exactly opposite. This is Amari. This plant is having one of the synonyms as Amari, one which will never die. One which will never die. That is, you come across with in villages, especially in the land that is used for cultivating purpose. So they use the term like nut kadil anta heltare. So that is especially in the summer season. So they used to take this plant. They used to uproot when it is exposed to the sunlight at that time. So it will dry. But once again, when there is a rain will come. When rain will come, once again they used to grow. So that's why they used to call it as an Amari. So if you see the family of Poaceae family, almost all the grass, the nature plants will be present in Poaceae family. Okay. So next we'll move to the vernacular names. That is, in English it is called conch grass. In English it is called conch grass. Kannadadalli garike. Kannadadalli garike. In Hindi it is called Durva. In Hindi it is called Durva. So Acharya Charaka mentioned it under Varne Mahakashaya and Prajastapana Mahakashaya. So Charaka mentioned it under Varne Mahakashaya and Prajastapana Mahakashaya. So Varnya, already we have discussed it. Varna means Varnaya Hitam Varnyam. So the Gangadhara, while commenting on Charaka Sutrasthana 4th chapter, that is Shadvirajana Shatashriti Adhyaya, the 8th Mahakashaya. So that is, there he used to say Varnaya Hitam Varnyam, that one which normalizes and improves the complexion of skin. So that is called as Varnya. So for Varnya, which the dosha is responsible, as you all know, the Pitta, specifically the Brajaka Pitta, which is responsible for one which gives the color to the skin. So which is situated like in Avabhashani Tvacha, which is situated in Avabhashani Tvacha. So if there is any Vikruti in the Pitta, which leads to the Vikruti of the Tvacha, so this Vikruti, it may be like a Pita Varna, Rakta Varna or Neela Varna, which is shown in the skin. So the vitiation of pitta will leads to the vitiation of Vikriti of the Rakta dosha. So Rakta and Pitta both causes the vitiated, the Swarupa they used to express through the skin. So we have to use like the Pitta Shamaka Dravyas and Rakta Shodhaka Dravyas. So the best one of the drug is, which is Pitta Shamaka and Rakta Shodhaka, is Durva. So the drugs like Chandana, Tunga, Padmaka, Ushira, Maduka, Manjishta, Sariva, Payasya, Shita, Lata. So these are the 10 drugs which are useful in giving the complexion or normal color to the skin. That is like a Chandana, Tunga. So Chandana is Santalum album, already have discussed. Okay. Tunga, that is Calophyllum, Enophyllum. Tunga is a synonym of like a Punnaga. Punnaga and Surapunnaga. I think we have discussed while discussing about Nagakeshara as a substitute for Nagakeshara also. Punnaga and Surapunnaga. Calophyllum, Enophyllum, and Mumia longifolia. Mumia longifolia is Punnaga. So Calophyllum, Enophyllum. And Padmaka. Padmaka, that is Prunus cirrhosoides. Padmaka, Prunus cirrhosoides. And Ushira, that is Vetiveria jejunoides. And Maduka. Maduka is St. Madhu, that is Glycyrrhiza glabra. And Manjishta, that as you all know, it is one of the best Rakta Shodhaka, Rakta Prasadhaka Dravya, that is Rubia cardifolia. Sarivar, Hemidismus indicus, this is also one of the Rakta Prasadhaka Dravya, Rakta Shodhaka. And Payasya, that is Ipomia digitata. And Sita Lata. So Sita Lata, these are the two synonyms of Durva. Sita Lata, these are the two synonyms of Durva. So there, if you observe the Sita Lata, they used to mention Synodona dactylona species. For both, they used to consider as Synodona dactylona species. So they are helpful in giving the normalizing the skin and also improving the complexion. Okay, so this is about Varane Mahakashaya. Then Prajastapana Mahakashaya. So what is meant by Prajastapana? So I think in the Charkokta, the Mahakashaya, the 49th Mahakashaya is Prajastapana Mahakashaya. That is Prajopaghatakam dosham bhrutva. Prajopaghatakam dosham bhrutva prajam stapayati iti Prajastapanam. See how they used to comment. What is meant by Prajopaghataka? So this is also the commentary on Charaka Sutrasthana 4th chapter, that is Sadvirajana Shatashriti Adhyaya, on 49th Mahakashaya, while commenting on that Chakrapani, Gangadhara. So they used to define the term like Prajastapana. Prajopaghataka bhavam, Prajopaghataka dosham bhrutva, Prajopaghataka. Ghataka means one which, especially you can observe the some of the women's, they used to face like habitual miscarriages. So if they conceive, so after 2 months or 3 months, so there may be any cause. We don't exactly the causative factor, the nidhana for the miscarriages. So 1 times, 2 times, 3 times. So on and off, the lady is having the miscarriages. In such type of conditions, we have to give uterine tonics, one which gives strength to the uterus. When they used to come in contact with the fetus, comes in contact with when they used to attach, when used to adhere with that uterus. So if the uterus is having a good strength, it can hold properly, it can nourish properly. So for that purpose, we need the Shodhana Karma. So for that, you can use such type of drugs like the Durvadi or Prajastapaka Dravyas. So these drugs, what it does, Prajopaghataka dosham bhrutva, by subsiding the Ghataka bhavas, and they used to do Stapayati Prajastapanam, one which sustains, one which gives strength. So by giving the strength to the uterus, so one which does the stapana of the fetus. So such type of drugs are called as Prajopaghataka, that is Prajastapana Dravyas. See, what are the Prajastapana Dravyas? So they used to say like Aindri. I think we have discussed this one while explaining about Brahmi. So Aindri, Brahmi, Shatavirya, Sahasravirya. See, this is Shatavirya and Sahasravirya are the synonyms of Durva. Okay, Aindri, Brahmi, Shatavirya, Sahasravirya, Amogha, Avyata, Shiva, Arishta, Vatepushpa, Vishwakshenakanta iti dashamani prajastapanani bhavanti. So Aindri, Brahmi, Shatavirya, Sahasravirya, Amogha, Avyata, Vatepushpi, Vishwakshenakanta. So these are the some drugs which are helpful in giving the strength to the uterus, in preventing the miscarriages, in removing the prajopaghataka bhavas. So by using these drugs, so individually you can, when you study, so you come to know that so what may be the causative factor for this miscarriages and what we have to do. So these are the some of the very commonly available drugs. See, usually as the drug is very commonly available, we used to use daily, but we don't know about where it can be used. So how much the medicinal values it is having. So please go through this Prajastapana Mahakashaya, and so the conditions, like the Prasuti conditions, you can go through the where, so what may be the causative factor, and so what are the properties which are present in this drug Durva. So how it does Stapana of the Praja. So when you analyze, you can come and Shatavirya and Sahasravirya. So these are the two drugs, that is Durvadvaya, that is Synodona, Dactylona. Next we'll move to the synonyms. So synonyms of Durva, that is Ananta. So there are Sariva is also having one of the synonym as Ananta, means na anto ashyaha, na anto ashyaha. So there is no end. There is no end. Bahu prasare ityartaha. Because of its spreading nature, they used to spread continuously. They used to spread continuously. That's why they used to say like Ananta. Even the god, most of the like in Hindu, you belongs to that the god Vishnu and Shiva. For them also they used to say like Ananta. Like I think you heard Ananta Padmanabha Devalaya also. That is na anto, one which is never end. One which is never end. That is na anto ashyaha. Bahu prasara ityartaha. Based on spreading nature. Based on its spreading nature, they used to give the synonym as Ananta. Okay? Na anta ashyaha. Bahu prasara ityartaha. So this is one of the prostrate herb, perennial herb. So Bahu Varshayu, Prasaranikshupa. They used to continuously spreading in nature. If you are not deserving, if you go to the rural places or the villages, where especially the land or the soil which is black in color, or even the red soil also, if you're not visiting, if you're not taking your lands properly, so within 1 year, 2 years, the whole land will be covered with this plant. That is no anto ashyaha. One which will never die. Okay, no anto ashyaha bahu prasare ityartaha. So prathanika, another synonym based on its the appearance. I think you come across with Akrute Bedana Dravya Vargikarana, the Prathanini, like Ruksha, Gulma, Kshupa, Lata. Lata Dali, once again, like Prasara, Valli, Arohini, Prathanini. So in case of Arohini, Mula Rohini, Patra Rohini, Sutra Rohini, Badisha Rohini. So there you will come across with this Prathanini, like Prathanai Virudaha. While explaining about even the Vanaspati, Vanaspatya, Viruda, Oshadi. So Viruda means Pratanair Virudaha. The word we have to consider Pratanair Virudaha. Viruda Shabda, that which gives like Pratana Shabdena Lata Gulmascha Grahyanti. Pratana Shabdena Lata Gulmascha Grahyanti. So the commentators, they used to give the meaning as a Prathanini. That is Prakarshena tanoti vistarayati bahu vistruta ityarthaha. Say what the first the synonym they used to give, like ananta. Prakarshena tanoti vistarayati. Here they used to give the term as vistarayati. There in the first the synonym he used to give bahu prasare ityarthaha. Bahu prasara, which is more spreading. Here vistarayati, which is extensively spreading in nature. Vistarayati iti bahu vistruto ityarthaha. So because of its spreading nature, they used to give the synonym as pratanika. So there the pratana shabda is lata gulmascha grahete. Lata means one which is having weak stem. So that's why we used to consider under like the prasara. Because of its weak stemming nature, they used to spread along the ground level. That is, according to the modern, the botanist, they used to consider it as a prostrate herb. Prostrate herb, one which moves along the ground, one which moves spreading horizontally along the ground level. That is vistarayati bahu vistruta ityarthaha. That is pratanika. Okay, so based on spreading nature, the two synonyms, that is ananta and pratanika. So another synonym based on its lifespan, amari, namriyate iti, one which will never die, amari. So sometimes in the examination, especially in Vaivavasi, they used to ask, so can you give the name of the synonyms which is mentioned based on its lifespan? So among them, the first drug you can say Shalmali. Shalmali is having the synonym as Chirajivika, Stirayu, Chirajivika, Stirayu. So means the plants one which can survive many years or which will never die. Chirajivika, Chira, always it will be present. So the second drug you can quote like Durva. So Durva is also having the synonym based on its lifespan is Amari. It will never die. That is Namriyate iti. It will never die. Okay. I think you have seen about this plant. That's why they used to consider as a prostrate herb. That is perennial, Bahuvarshayu. When you put some the acid or some any like some they used to give some oils which is acidic in nature. When you apply, when you pour, when you will spray that acidic nature drugs to this plant, at that time only it will dry. But once again, when the rain will come, definitely once again they used to grow. So that's why they used to consider as Amari, means one which will never die. Okay, Namriyate iti Amari. Ruha, I think you come across with while explaining about Guduchi, Chinna Ruha, Chinnodbhava, Vatsadaniti cha. So Ruha, see the meaning. Chinna api punaha rohayati. Chinna api punaha rohayati. When you cut and when you can throw, you can cut and you can throw. So wherever you throw, so there it will grow once again. That is stem cutting. With the help of stem, they used to, there is vegetative propagations. So whenever you can cut the leaves or the stem, so you can throw anywhere. So there itself, it is going to grow. So in the same way as like the Guduchi. Okay, Ruha, Chinna api punaha rohayati. Roha means it will take growth once again. That is Chinna api punaha rohayati. So another synonym, Golomi. Golomavat patranyashaha. Based on the morphology, the two specifically based on the leaves. Lomi or loma. Loma means hairs. Golomavat. That is Golomi. They are comparing how the leaves they used to present. The leaves of Durva, how it is present? It is as like that of the hairs of cow. Like Golomavat patranyashaha. The leaves of Durva, which resembles as like that of hairs of cows. There is appearance. Golomi. So Golomi is another the drug which is having the Golomi, like Vacha. Vacha is also having the synonym as a Golomi. So we have to, depending upon the context, in which context they are explaining. So we have to, based on that, we have to decide whether you can take vacha or you can take durva. Okay, so go lomi, go lomavat patranyashaha. Shataparvika. So Shataparvika. So in Bhavaprakash Nigantu, the 23rd Varga, that is Ekartavachi, Dvayartavachi, Trayartavachi, there he used to explain. So this Shataparvika. So Shataparvika, this synonym is also present for even Vacha.